Vegetables are very important food source that we must add to our diet. The reason for that is because they contain essential nutrients for the body, especially vitamins, and if you are concerned about your weight, vegetables are important as a low-calorie food. Today we will see how many calories are contained in some vegetables that we eat daily. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Meaty foods are a main part of the diet of many people. It has gained this popularity because of its high protein content in a small amount. So in this video, we will see the amount of protein contained in each type of meat per 100 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.